Good afternoon and welcome. We are going to make the pair of earrings that you saw in the beginning of the video. I have my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, scissors for cutting the ribbon, my pliers, I have ribbon, and a bangle. We're going to use a bangle this time to make the the necklace. I have a fish hook, two connectors, one larger, one smaller, and I have these. Actually, these go on braids for hair, but I saw them and I said, you know what, they'll make a great embellishment. And this is good if you are actually using these on your braids, that you will have earrings to match with what you have on your hair. And I thought that was a good idea, that it'd be coordinated. Okay, so we'll be ready to start. Okay, first we are going to, I'm going to slide everything out the way. First we are going to put the ribbon on the bangle. And this is just a beauty supply. It came in, I think it was like a pack of 8 bangles. Okay, I'm going to apply the tacky glue. Here, and just begin to twist and just, oops, slipped up. Okay, here we go. Twist and slightly overlap. Slightly overlap. I'm going round and round. Excuse my hands, as always. I'm working on another project just before this one. So it's holding, so I can let that go a bit. And taking it around, slightly overlapping. This is one of my favorite types of earrings to make. Make any color, coordinate with your outfit that you know you're gonna wear. I love this. And I also do this with cloth strips too. So. I also do this with cloth strips. Making sure it's tight. I will be doing some great giveaways in the near future. I'm going to give away some sets. This is a quick project. Quick and easy. I got some extra ribbon, pieces of green ribbon, just in case this runs short. But I think we're going to be okay. And you know, if you run short with the ribbon, you just connect it just like you did the first end. Same thing. Wrap around a couple of times and go. And the ribbon is also, I bought this from the beauty supply. It's only $1 for the package, and I got red, yellow, and green in the one pack. But they also had other packs they had like purple and orange and black. So I found some great buys there. You can also use the wider ribbon as well. For this I'm using the little nail strips. And good to go. Closing it up now. Alright, here we go. And I'm just going to overlap that end under here to secure it some more. There we go. And we're going to cut. And I always cut ribbon on an angle because so it won't fray, even though this is going to be glued. That didn't work out so well, it's cut straight across, but it is going to be glued, so. And I apply a little amount of tacky glue. Aleene's Clear Gel Tacky. And what I'm going to do is twist it around. Holding. There we go. Now, quite simple. All I'm going to do is open, it, slide it on, and close it. So it just overlaps just a little bit. And like I said, they carry, I'm going to have to touch that a little bit with the glue. They carry these at the beauty supply store as well. And if you are wearing these in your hair and your braids, it'll be so well coordinated with your earrings. So I just applied a little bit more tacky glue. That's it. And then we apply our connectors. I'm using a gold tone because of the gold in here. And I just felt the gold tone would match a little bit better than the silver that I normally use. So I connect this here. And then I put the smaller connector, which is going to connect the fish hook. Yeah. And gold tone fish hook. Here we go. Drop it and close. There we go. There we go. I had it closed and I'm going to open it back up. So, here we go. Let's see. And here are our Bring it down a little bit. These are our fun earrings that you can coordinate with the little cuffs with your hair, if you like. Make a statement. And I'll shut that phone off. But anyway, these are available at my Etsy store, the Nina Ray collection, and as well as all my projects. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Feel free to share. I will be giving away some great stuff in the near future. And I thank you for joining me for today's project. Thanks, and I will see you next time. Bye.